Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing awesome today because today we are going to review the Radiance Skin Care System for the skin. I'm so excited, you guys. If you are new here, welcome. And if you want, go ahead and click that subscribe button. First of all, before we begin on this skin care system on my facial today that I'm going to do right in front of you guys, I will let you know a little bit of my background on my skin. So I do have dermographism, and so if anything gets pushed on my face or anything gets rubbed on my face, I get red. So don't be alarmed. I will try not to be alarmed because this is my first time trying this skin care system. I do not have any other facial things that do the zzz. So Duvolle reached out to me and they asked me if I wanted to review this product. This video is not sponsored or anything. This was a gift to me from Duvolle. Thank you so much, Duvolle, for letting me try out your product, and I hope this is going to do some good for my skin and everybody else's skin, hopefully. I'm going to open this right in front of your eyeballs, guys. Ooh, it's so cute. I like the packaging and stuff. Right here is a little pamphlet on all the things in here. So this right here is a Radiance Skin Care System. Is a waterproof unit which is ideal for use in the shower. It includes 4 interchangeable brush attachments. So it does have a cleansing brush, an exfoliation brush, a pumice stone, the body brush, and the base unit. So this Duvolle, what this does is it deeply cleanses your skin with the Radiance Skin Care System's rotating movement to achieve the cleaner and more vibrant skin over your whole body. Ooh, look at this. It's so nice and sleeky. So this is where you put the attachments right here. It is a little weighty. I'm guessing this is where you put the battery. How do you open it? I can't get it to open. So it says open right here. I don't have manly hands. Honestly, how do you open it? Do you twist it? Oh my God, I am so sorry, you guys. I don't think we're gonna be able to do this video today. I finally got it. Yay for me. So when you open this, it does have where you can put the batteries right in there. So it takes 4 AA batteries. And I just happen to have some batteries that we're going to go ahead and put right in here. It does have the directions of how you can put the batteries in here. So it does have an on and an off switch. Okay, the first one up is the exfoliation brush, and this is what this looks like. And now all we have to do is just pop this in. Ooh, that was pretty easy. So it's really easy to put it in. This is the exfoliation brush. So this exfoliation brush is made of very soft bristles, specially designed for tender facial skin. For best results, be sure wash your face prior to treatment to ensure your skin is free of any residue. Apply brush with your favorite cleanser. Gently move the brush across your face while moving the unit in a circular motion. This right here is a facial cleansing brush. The facial cleansing brush gently removes excess dirt and makeup residue from your skin and is great to use prior to exfoliation. Gently move the facial cleansing brush across your face while moving in a circular motion. Okay, so now this right here is a body brush. This body brush is for the large body brush, can be used on the hands and body. Apply soap or cleanser on hand or body, then gently remove the brush on your skin in a circular motion. So you can use this on all over your body, and it feels really, really soft. It's not like hard or anything. Now this right here is a pumice stone. This pumice stone is for rough skin. Prior to use, immerse your foot in warm water for 10 to 15 minutes, then wipe dry. Apply pumice on foot and move in circular motion. During rotation, pumice efficiently removes hard cells at elbow or underfoot. The pumice stone should never be used on the face, guys. Don't use it on your face. All right, guys, I'm going to take my earrings off, pull my hair back, and I will be back. Before we begin, guys, I am going to go ahead and they're asking you to wash your face first. Take off most of your makeup. And I have some pads right here that I'm going to cleanse my face with first before we start the exfoliation. We taking off the makeup. We're taking off the makeup. Now that I look a little crazy, so we're gonna go ahead and try this. So I do have an apricot scrub, and I'm gonna try and see if I can use it with this. And hopefully my face don't get really irritated. All right, let's go ahead and begin. I'm scared. I have never tried this before, so this is gonna be so weird to me. Oh my. Oh. Oh. Bro, you know what? It almost feels like it's suctioning my face. It's so weird. Oh my gosh. I've never had a scrubber dealy bobber on my face. This almost like massages my face at the same time. This is so weird. We spinning now. We spinning now. Make sure your hair is like all the way pulled back. Okay, so this is working right now. So this is from exfoliating my face. Apparently it was a little bit dirty. We're gonna go ahead and use a facial cleansing brush. I'm gonna rinse this off real quick and then I'll be back. Okay guys, I know my face is a little wet, but that's fine. We are going to use the facial cleansing brush. So just pop it on there, and I am going to use this is an Equate Gentle Skin Cleanser. Since my face is wet, I'm gonna go ahead and just dive on in. Oh, look at my face. It looked like something I did not want to see on my face. Okay, okay. This thing is gonna just take on the world. So it does feel soft. It doesn't feel hard for me, and I'm like the most tenderest person on my skin. So I'm trying to find out if it's actually cleaning any more of my face here in a second. So I'm doing my nose. I'm gonna go rinse this off and then I'll be back. That's gross. Okay guys, so we are done. So this thing right here, I'm not gonna try in front of you guys, but I'm pretty sure it will feel the same as the little ones or whatever. Pumice stone, if you guys have never worked with this, it's more like for your callousy, you know, not callousy, but you know, like dry textured foot or whatever. And this actually works pretty good for your feetie. So if you guys are looking for something really nice and whatnot, you guys should try the pumice. Let's go ahead and review this now. Now that my face is all clean and whatnot, I am actually surprised by this. I really am. And I thought I was not going to like it because I have dermographism, and I thought that my face was going to turn really red, and apparently it did not, and I was like stumped by it. Let's talk about the battery. Okay, the batteries, they take 4 AA batteries. Also, I do like the on and off switch on here. It's really handy. The heads, I like how they just pop on and take it off. So the exfoliating brush is really, really awesome. I am impressed on the exfoliating brush because I thought it was going to be really hard, and it wasn't really hard. It was actually soft. Honestly, I was so scared in trying this skincare system, and it really threw me for a loop. Okay, now onto the facial cleansing brush. I really, really like this. This was actually soft, and it did pick up the some of the leftover makeup. I guess I didn't take it all off, well, because I was using micellar cleansing water or whatever, and it literally like took off. And you know what, it was like massaging my whole world. Like, I'm so impressed with this. Feels so cleansed. Like, I feel like I'm gonna let go of my washcloths that I've been washing my face with washcloths. I feel so clean, like a baby. So with that, I want to thank Duvolle for letting me review this product. If you guys like this product at all, but you don't have to take my word for it. If you like it, you'll like it. If you don't like it, if it's not for you, it's fine. I mean, nobody's gonna get mad about it. I don't know what else to say, but my honest to God truth, I love it. Thank you guys so much, so very much for letting me try this out. If you use my code Gemluva, you will save 70% off, and you will actually just pay for $28.50. for that item. So if you guys have any questions at all whatsoever, please, please, please don't hesitate to ask me down in the comments below, and I will try and see if I can answer your questions. And nobody has paid me to say this or whatever, but this is all my opinions, nobody else's opinions but mine. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down, and I will see you guys another time, guys. Love you guys. Bye bye.